Now, let's switch the focus to the men's 110-meter hurdles, and it was a very good day for the Jamaicans because, guess what, all three made progress. Orlando Bennett, the national champion, here is the result. Tyler Mason, he advanced, and Tyler Mason finished first in his heat in 13.17 seconds, a season's best effort. And the two Jamaicans, Mason and Orlando Bennett, were the top two qualifiers, in fact. Bennett winning his heat in 13.20, and then Demario Prince finishing fourth in his heat in 13.31 seconds and advancing to the semi-finals as well. And after those heats, we heard from Tyler Mason and Demario Prince. I think we're going to be hearing from those two gentlemen in a short while.
That's just the aim, and that's the goal right now.
Yeah. And in terms of your run just now, how much confidence does this give you heading to the semi-final?
Well, I don't know about the confidence, but I'm in really good shape, so it's just about going through the rounds and do what I need to do.
Yeah, very messy race, just trying to get the jitters off, you know. I felt a good start a while ago, you know, first I just rush up, but I'm going to think about it with coach and fix it for the semis.
All right, so Warren, Tyler Mason there, 13.17, the season's best, fastest among the Jamaicans on the day. When you come here and you produce a season's best, it's an indicator that you're in pretty good shape, huh?
Yes, I'm extremely proud of Tyler Mason. JC, old boy, he has been knocking at the door forever. And people, I must say, Bruce, I don't know if you realize, Tyler Mason broke my Class 2 record at Champs. And he went to races after that. And I'm extremely proud to see Tyler finally on the world stage, producing good time, and I know he has a next confident boost by just coming out here and winning. When you win a season best and you win your heats, that puts you at a notch up in the level of confidence. I love to see that from Tyler. I'm extremely proud of him.
Yeah, as Warren said, Bruce, Tyler has been around for quite a while, and it's very, very good to see him now really coming to the fore and delivering on this stage.
If you don't want to choose a tough event in Jamaica, don't choose 110-meter hurdles. Jamaica had 3 men in the finals at the Olympics last year, including Hansel Pasman, who has won Olympic gold. We see Tyler out here in lane number 1. Was that, Daniel, you've been talking about the athletes who are in the outside lanes. Nobody's seeing them. They're not feeling the pressure of being crushed between people. And Tyler won in a season's best. Warren makes an excellent point. As an athlete, when you run your season's best, you're like, yeah, man, I'm on form, I'm ready, I can do anything. And that's going to give him a great boost going into the finals. He's going to get a nice middle lane. Again, using Daniel's rationale, the middle lane may not be a good thing. But for his semifinal, he's going to have a nice middle lane because he qualified with the fastest time overall. Orlando Bennett will also have a middle lane. But for Tyler Mason, he's been knocking on the door. Why? Because as far as I'm concerned, on the men's side, even more than the 100 meters, the 110-meter hurdles has been our deepest event. This year, we didn't even have Omar McLeod going through. We've had so much success at 110-meter hurdles. Getting on that Jamaican team is always tough. Tyler is on there, and he's delivering well.
Yeah, Orlando Bennett, Daniel, 13.20 to win his heat, our national champion. He looked good as well, I thought, earlier today.
Yeah, we had Bennett and Mason finish top in terms of the top 2 times out of qualification, and that was impressive to see. Orlando Bennett came in with the 9th fastest time among the entries. Tyler Mason, he was 20th, and he's topping the entire field going into the semifinals. So talking about rising to the occasion, both of them, Prince getting through as well, it was a good showing.
Yeah, and a good showing from young Demario Prince as well. I told you he has qualified, finishing 4th in his heat in 13.31 seconds.